Yeah. He probably already knows what it is. Yeah, yeah.
Check that up.
Cold.
Oh yeah, unless there's a way for us to get the nest and put the nest in air, hide it, but I don't know right away then. Yeah, there you go.
I don't even think anybody lives here. I think some guy is just perfect.
Get a picture of
What you did? What you did?
yeah. Okay.
I think that's called trespassing, right?
That's okay.
Now they're stealing. Yo, this is the funniest video ever.
Okay. Yes, you can.
You don't want her to do it? Right?
You're going to do these on me? Oh, man. Oh, no. Okay, then. Steady. Yeah, you should have been like, just steady.
Are you sure? I think you're crushing the birds.
I know.
Oh, I don't think this is a good idea.
Just give me a I have no foothold here.
I don't think this is a good idea.
Yeah, how are we gonna do it? I don't know. Being that you're a little bit lighter than me, I tell you what, I'll hold it. Don't think about the height. Just pretend that you're on flat ground. Okay? Yeah.
Well, how about?
Yeah. I'll hold it. But I want to talk to the.
Yeah.
Okay, you got.
I think you're crushing the bird.
Yeah, hold on to me. She's nice and slim, so yeah, just don't think about it. There we go. All right, please go ahead. I got you. Don't worry about it. I got you.
Don't touch birds.
Okay. It's okay, sweetheart. Just don't think about
open it.
Yeah, you just gotta open it and if you can reach, you should. Just open it and put them up with the thing on. With the make sure you put it safe and securely on top of the